To Irish, happy 18th birthday sa kanang ganap na dalaga at patuloy mong pagtuunan ng pansin sa iyong edukasyon. Hangad ko ang iyong mabuting kinabukasan katulad ng paghangad ng mabuting kinabukasan mo galing sa iyong mga magulang. Happy 18th birthday. Have a good one and many more years ahead of you. Good luck.
Thank you very much po.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right.
Happy birthday.
Hi Iris, si Luis Ontiveros to. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy 18th birthday at sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo at mag-iingat ka lagi and God bless. Enjoy your birthday.
Habang pinahubod ng class, baby, mama, may na kung pangmastan duo Versace, may na dramatic sa makabila.
Yo, shoutout kay Iris. Happy birthday. Enjoy sa birthday mo. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Ayun.
Hello Irish, this is John Lucas. Yun, gusto ko lang bumati ng happy 18th birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Sana matupad pa lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay mo and matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo and mapasaya mo yung buong family ninyo. Ingat ka palagi. I hope to see you soon. Enjoy your special day. God bless you.
Watch us this October on GMA. Barangay 143, ito ang Liga ng Buhay.
Irish, this is Aliana Asistio. I just wanna greet you. Happy 18th birthday. Nako, dalaga ka na. And I just hope you enjoy this day. Pakabait ka, finish school, and make your parents proud. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy 18th birthday, Irish. Still remember Ate Shishi? Grabe, hindi ako makapaniwala na you're all grown up now. In my mind, you're still the little baby na mahilig kantahin, sayawin, paulit-ulit yung Barney songs. I haven't seen you grow over the years, but I know that you've become an amazing girl, amazing woman, to be exact. I wish you all the happiness, success in what you do right now, especially in your school, and enjoy your day and make the most of every moment. Happy birthday.
Hi Irish! Happy 18th birthday! Gusto kong mag-thank kay Papa God kasi lumaki kang masunurin, mabait, at magalang, matalino. Wish ko sa'yo na sana mag-succeed ka in pursuing your dreams and mga goals sa life mo, and continue not just being a good role model student, but also a good role model person for everybody. Take good care always, especially your health. And again, happy 18th birthday. God bless you.
Danaya, ipinagkakaloob ko sa iyo ang brilyante ng lupa.
Hindi gulang ang pamantayan sa pagiging Reyna Perela. Ako man ang pinakabata, ngunit kaya ko rin pamuluan ng Perela. Puro salita, kaya ba ng gawa? Buhay ko man ay aking iaalay. Sinusumpa ko yan sa buong Encantadia.
Yan ba?
Hi Irish! Kamusta? This is Hannah Lopez. Gusto ko lang batiin ikaw ng happy 18th birthday. Mag-enjoy ka today at pagbutihan mo lang. Ito na. Nasa tamang edad ka na para mag-desisyon rin for yourself. And I hope na magkita tayo soon. Mag-ingat ka palagi. God bless you!
Para kay Irish Tony Flor Ordona ng Barangay Lagro, happy 18th birthday para sa'yo. Ngayong dalagang-dalaga ka na, we wish you good health, good luck, more power to you, and more blessings to come, and may you reach all your dreams in life. Yan ay mula sa kaibuturan ng puso namin ni Congressman PM Vargas. Happy birthday, solid tayo, pamilya tayo.
Hello Reyes, ako pala si Naoli. word ko lang happy birthday sa'yo. At sana mag-aral ka ng mabuti. At saka huwag kang palaging pasaway sa daddy mo. At saka pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo palagi. Kasi yun lang naman ang kakatuwa ng magulang. Kaya yun lang ang papayo ko. Ingat lagi sa kung saan ka pupunta. At saka magpaalam ka kung aalis ka. At saka yun lang, Res. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello Irish, happy birthday. Gusto ko sana magpasalamat kasi sa pagiging mabuti mo dito sa amin. Tsaka ingat ka lagi. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday Irish, dalaga ka na. Sana maging matagumpay ka sa anumang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Ingat ka palagi and happy birthday.